In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Activecampaign landing page builder. This tool can be a fantastic asset whether you're looking to promote a product, capture leads, or simply enhance your online presence. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the skills to create your very own landing page from scratch. So let's get started. First things first, head over to Activecampaign's website. You'll want to navigate to the main page, which focuses on marketing automation solutions for businesses of all sizes. Next, find the login button on the website and click it. This will take you to the login page where you need to enter your account details to access your dashboard. Here's a quick tip: if you haven't set up an account yet, it's a good idea to do so beforehand. Once you've typed in your account name, go ahead and click login to access your workspace. Upon logging in, you'll be taken to the email marketing overview page of your account. This is essentially your command center, featuring various options for email campaigns, automations, and of course landing pages. Once you've arrived here, navigate towards the website section of the menu. Moving on, you'll want to click on pages. This is where all your landing pages are organized and the magic really happens. Once you're in the pages section, look for the option to create a new page. This is your starting point for crafting a brand new landing page. Now comes one of the fun parts: selecting a template. Activecampaign offers a variety of templates catering to different needs. Take a moment to browse through the options and pick a template that aligns best with your brand aesthetics and marketing goals. Once you've found the perfect one, click Use this template. Now it's time to personalize your landing page. Start by typing in the name you want for your page. This could be a product name, a campaign identifier, or anything that helps you stay organized. After you've input the name, make sure to click Save. You wouldn't want to lose any of your changes, right? Now comes the creative bit, editing your page. Here you can modify text, swap out images, and adjust the page layout to better fit your vision. Take your time to refine and ensure it's exactly how you imagined it. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the elements of your page, it's time to go live. Simply click on Publish Page. This action will make your landing page accessible to the public, allowing you to start directing traffic and engaging with your audience. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've successfully navigated through setting up and publishing a landing page using Activecampaign's intuitive builder. Thanks for joining me today, and best of luck with your marketing endeavors.